Hi everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel, and today in this video I am going to explain about 491 visa, especially if you are a pharmacist. If you are one of the pharmacists, I always upload a lot of videos in this channel, and not about the Australia, whatever the country in the world you want to move, so you can watch those videos. But in this video we are just focusing about 491 visa. The 491 visa is a kind of skilled visa, and this is not a PR, So this visa, they will give you 5-year visa. You can work here, you can study in those 5 years, and there is certain conditions, and if you fulfill those conditions you can get a PR. Actually earlier it was like a 489, they replaced, this is like 491. This is the same kind of visa. There is certain changes in this visa. So this visa, they will give you 5 years, and you have to work only, you can work in the regional areas. Those are in Australia, there is a 3 city. Apart from that 3 city, any city or anywhere you can work and live in Australia, especially except Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane. These 3 cities, apart from that, any city you can live or work whatever you want in this visa, So there is a condition for this visa, especially if you fulfill, then you can apply for this visa. You already skill assessment, then you clear your CAPS exam. Now you want to apply 491 this visa, you can apply. At least you have a 65 points minimum, you have to points, and any of the state give you invitation, then you can file this visa. For example, once you clear your CAPS exam and all these, then you are filing a visa for NSW. At the currently NSW are opening for this 491 visa in the state. So each state, they have their own conditions, but I'm just first the basic requirement. Basic requirement means that you have a 65 points, you have a skill assessment, your degree, and your CAPS already you are clear, and English minimum 6, each of that. This is the, for pharmacists there is 2 kind of the requirement for English. One is for your registration as pharmacist, that needs 7 each band in the IELTS, but for the immigration you can be a 6.5, 7, 8. If you have a high score, you will get a more point, and there is a more chance to get a PR in Australia. So this is the system. I hope you already know all this system. So we are just focusing here about 491 means that for example, if you want to apply in NSW, you already in NSW in the state, and you are already working in the regional area from 1 year, from last 12 months, then you can apply for this visa. For this visa, they already given for the hospital pharmacist, either you are a community pharmacist, so both of them can apply, eligible to apply this 491 visa in NSW. So if you are in India, it's difficult for you to come in Australia, especially 491, because many of the states have the similar kind of the conditions, but there are some states that do not have this condition, especially the condition that you must be living and working in the particular area, especially in the regional area, then only you can apply. This is not very easy. Or some of the states, they want that you have to show some kind of the job offer letter from any of the pharmacy, then only you can apply 491. 407 also, 407 also you can apply, because 407 is a training visa. So once you cleared your CAPS exam, and some of them, they want to sponsor you for 1 year, so in that visa you can do for your internship. Later you can go for 491 also. So 491, you must you have to fulfill the state requirement. So each state, they have their own requirements. So some state, they do not require to have a you must have work experience. They just need a that offer letter from any of the pharmacy, any of the hospitals, you can apply for this visa. So 491 is a easy visa है ये, मगर थोड़ा सा conditions इसकी जो हैं state to state vary करती हैं. So basically what you need to do, you have to see that इन विच स्टेट देयर इज ए ओपनिंग एंड व्हाट आर द रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर देम, यू नो। आपको बस इतना ही देखना है कौन से स्टेट में आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं जहाँ पर जो है वो ऐसी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं लगाई हो। फॉर एग्जांपल कि आपके 12 महीने से वहाँ पर आप काम कर रहे हो तभी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो। दिस इज़ वेरी नॉट वेरी गुड कंडीशन। ये उन लोगों के लिए है बेसिकली जो ऑलरेडी ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हैं, ऑलरेडी स्टूडेंट वीज़ा पे थे या 485 पे ऑलरेडी जो हैं मतलब इंटर्नशिप कर रहे हैं और उसके बाद 491 अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। दैट्स वाई मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया में अगर आपको आना है तो आप एज ए स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर आ जाइए और उसके बाद फिर आप जो है 2 साल के बाद फिर आपको जो 485 मिलेगा 2 साल का, उसके ऊपर आप इंटर्नशिप कर सकते हैं और उसके बाद फिर आप जो है 491 आप जो है वीज़ा अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, है ना। तो हर एक स्टेट की अपनी ऑन रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, तो आपको ये चेक करना होगा कौन से स्टेट में जो है ओपनिंग है और उसकी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं और आपके लिए जो है वो हो सकता है ना। तो और एक और बात, यहाँ 65 पॉइंट्स मिनिमम है जस्ट अप्लाई करने के लिए, मगर ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि 65 पॉइंट्स पे आपको मिले। आप एटलीस्ट मुझे लगता है शायद अगर आपके 85 पॉइंट्स हैं तो फिर आपको 85-90 पॉइंट्स हैं तो आपके मिलने के चांसेस हैं। और जब आपको अगर ये 491 मिल गया तो फिर इसकी कुछ कंडीशंस हैं वो आपको मीट करना होगा टू गेट ए पीआर। आपको मतलब ये 54,000 योर सैलरी एंड प्लस 3 years यू आर कंटिन्यूसली यू आर वर्किंग फुल टाइम and just you can apply I mean that English requirement for everyone, that's the thing, then you can apply for a PR. So if you have any questions you can ask me. बहुत सारे students are in Australia already, they are pharmacists, they are B.Pharm or PharmD, whatever they are doing, MPH, MBA, biotechnology, many courses, but they are stuck, they don't know what they need to do in their future, you know. So I always give some consultation for this. मुझे जो है कमेंट कर सकते हैं और फिर आप इसे कॉन्टेक्ट कर सकते हैं। एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।